Introducing my dog, Brody. He's licking himself right now. Good dog. Good dog. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi. He doesn't know how to talk. But you're still a good dog. Good dog. You will be in some of my videos now, won't you, Brody? Yes, you will. And this, he just likes to play with this. He doesn't get hurt in any way by this. Okay? He's a good dog. Aren't you, Brody? Aren't you, little Brody? He is 8 years old, which is old for a dog, and he is a boy. Yes, aren't you, Brody? He is also a golden retriever. Yes, golden retrievers are fun animals. Did you pause? Now, his back. Boop. Aren't you a good boy, Brody? He is 8 years old. He has a pink nose. And his face is whitish. He is old. He's just playing. Yay. Playing. You can become calmer as soon as I pet your head. Good dog. Good dog. This does not hurt. Where his teeth are worn down a little bit. See? Open your mouth. There. Good dog. Good dog. Stop it, Brody. He ate a small snack that I found. Yes, he's a nice doggy, aren't you? Shaking your hand. I'm shaking your hand. Yes, you're a good dog, aren't you? Aren't you a good dog? You're still playful, aren't you? Well, I guess this is the end of the video then. He's a little too playful to be in the video, I guess. Bye.